Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to restore the software on Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus using Smart Switch application from Samsung. So let's do it. Okay, so first thing that you must do is to download and install Samsung Smart Switch application from Samsung website. You will find the link in the video description, and then just hit more and hit on emergency software recovery and initialization. Okay, and here hit on device initialization, and here you must enter the model name. The model name you will find on the back of your phone here in the bottom, and I hope you see it. Okay, and here is the model name and the serial number. Okay, now let's type the model name and hit search. And now you must type the serial number, and the serial number you will find here. I hope you see it. And here is my serial number. Okay, now let's type. And now just type OK. And read carefully, because your device will be initialized to original settings. Okay, and if you can, remove your Google account before to do that. Now hit OK. And this will be the software version that will be installed in your Samsung Galaxy S8, and hit OK and wait a few seconds. And now you must put your phone in download mode. To do that, you must push and hold volume down, Bixby and power button together. Let's do it. Volume down, Bixby and power. Okay, and now to continue, just press the volume up button, and now your phone is in download mode. Now you must connect your phone to your PC with USB Type-C data cable, and this side I will connect to my PC. And this side I will connect to my phone. And now, as you can see, and you can hit on OK. Let's do it. And now you must wait. And now the update has begun, and you must sit and wait for a few minutes. And now the software update is complete, and the device will restart, and you can disconnect and reconnect the cable. Just wait a few seconds. And now you can disconnect and reconnect the cable and hit OK. And now if you want, you can disconnect your phone from the cable, and all you must do is select your home language and do the initial setup. This was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.